Today, let's take a look at a 600 kilowatts diesel generator set of Dingbo, which is urgently produced. It will be delivered in the near future. It is ordered by an enterprise for standby power supply. The engine of this unit is Yuchai diesel engine, with a rated power of 600 kilowatt. It is turbocharged, equipped with full protection control system, and equipped with Shanghai Stanford high-end generator. The generator has strong power and strong environmental adaptability. It can output rated power below 1000 meter above sea level, and can output 110% over load power of rated power within less than 1 hour. The insulation grade is Class H, and all wound parts are specially developed materials, which are impregnated with special process to provide guarantee for long-term operation of the generator. The digital control system is adopted to achieve high intelligence, and it performs better in power density, sudden load capacity, displacement, fuel consumption, emission control level, etc.